Evening, everybody. It's 6:10 on Tuesday, the 19th of July, and this is your closing comment. It is video number 1369 for this Tuesday afternoon, and it was a huge day today. Dow was up 784, 2.48%. NASDAQ was up 353 or 3.11. S&P up 105.84, 2.76. The small caps, the Russell, up 3.5%, up 60.91, and the big winner on the day, up almost 4%, 3.88% was the Dow Jones Transports, up 515 and change. The chart on the screen, as you can see, is the oil. And after yesterday's huge day to the upside, after trading 92.88, we closed 99.42. They tried to take it down first thing this morning, got it down to 96.5. Turned it right back up and closed just over 100. Not going to say that there's no issue here from 102.5 to 105, but I think tomorrow when we get the crude inventories, if it's a surprise draw, I'm guessing we blast right through. Gold, again, down. I mean, not down, but unchanged on the day, basically. Currently trading at 1709. It was down as low as 1702 during the day today. So lower high, lower low. We'll see if we're going to hold 1700. But you would think that on a day where the dollar was down for the second day in a row, down almost 70 cents. I know that I've pointed this out before, and we've had these little moves like we had here. Looked like it was terrible. Next day it gaps back up. So we're coming pretty close to this 20-day moving average, which is at 105.999. So 106, we'll call it. It's also, pretty close to where it broke out from before at 105.66. So we'll see whether the 20-day MA holds it instead or not. Okay, so we had IBM down $7 and change on yesterday's beat. As I mentioned yesterday and this morning, they beat top and bottom line, but margins were weak. So the stock closed down 703 or 5.1%. That took $48 off the Dow. The other big name that we had today was Johnson & Johnson, which this morning, when I told you, was 175.59, up $1.36. It actually finished 169.88. Pardon me, got down to 169.88, closed 171.93, down $2.30. So about $3.50 lower than what we looked at. And the two big names tonight, Cal-Maine, biggest producer of eggs, beat top and bottom, increased their dividend, and the stock was basically unchanged. It was down 90 cents at the close of regular trading before the earnings came, and it was trading about unchanged from there afterwards. Let me just take a quick gander at it. Yeah. 52.33 is looks like the last in regular hours, but it's moved up 52.61, so down 62 cents. The big winner, of course, was Netflix, with not as bad as they projected, which always makes me a little queasy. But the stock had traded up to 201.63, up 10.71 on the day, traded as high as 225 in late trading. Currently 216.75. That's up 25 or 13.5%. That's about it, folks. Bitcoin, strong again today. As a matter of fact, I think that it made pretty close to a new recovery high, but let's just pull it up. I know that Ethereum was beating it badly on the upside. Yesterday, was up 3.5%, I think, and Ethereum was up 16%. Today, Bitcoin, as you can see, breaking through that area I was talking about. This close, which was 23,110, we managed to close here 23,460 after being really not much higher. And tonight, we're trading up another 135. So a pretty nice day for Bitcoin. Let's just take a quick look at Ethereum, because it was actually running about a day or two ahead of Bitcoin to the upside. It had broken out. It had broken out on Friday, and then yesterday was up, as I said, 16%, and now today it was up another 92, which is about 5%. And tonight it's up another 15 and change, which is, a percent. But you can see how we should be running into trouble here at about 17 and a quarter. We'll have to see if the dollar continues to weaken and the market continues to be strong. We'll have a little bit more of an appetite for risk, which clearly Bitcoin and Ethereum are. I'll be back first thing in the morning.